Hi everyone, welcome back. Your Android phone may look completely normal on the surface, but recently hidden system apps have started appearing on many Android devices that quietly track your activity to build a profile around you for personalized ads. The worst part is this: these apps usually have no icon, they never appeared in your app drawer, and the option to disable them is deeply hidden inside the system settings. Today I'm gonna show you how to find these hidden apps on almost any Android phone and how to block their access step by step. This works for almost all Android brands, and as a bonus, you may even improve battery life and reduce background activity. Let's begin. Step 1. Because these apps are hidden inside the system, you normally will not find them through regular settings. So we are gonna use a shortcut that works on almost every Android device. Open the Play Store. Type your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Help and Feedback. Type the search bar and type the word apps. From the list, tap how to delete apps on your Android device. Inside this page, type the option that says Go to Application Settings. Now step 2. Inside the Apps menu, tap the three dots in the corner and enable Show System Apps or Show System Processes. Now search for an app called Add Privacy or sometimes simply Privacy. Open it. Here you will notice that the phone usually doesn't allow you to uninstall it or fully stop it. That's because it's a part of the system itself. This app is often connected to personalized advertising and usage tracking. It can collect information about the apps you use, the content you interact with, and your activity patterns. Now we are going to block its access. Step 3. Stay inside the Apps section and search for another app called Digital Wellbeing, Device Health Services, or something similar depending on your phone brand. Open it. These apps monitor how much time you spend inside apps, games, and social media in order to create activity reports and usage statistics. If you never use those reports, then these services are simply running in the background, collecting data and consuming resources. Tap Force Stop if your phone allows it, then confirm it. Some phones will not let you disable it completely, and that's normal. Now comes the most important step. Step 4. Go to the main settings on your phone. Use the search bar and type Special Access, Special Permissions, or Usage Access. Open the section called Usage Access or Access to Usage Data. Now here enable Show System Apps too. Look for the advertising related app we opened earlier. Turn off its permission to access usage data. Then do the same for Digital Wellbeing, Device Health Services, or any similar tracking service on your phone. What did we just do? We basically blocked these hidden system apps from monitoring how you use your device. They may still exist inside Android, but now they have far less access to your activity. That means less background tracking, less unnecessary monitoring, and potentially even better battery life. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more privacy tech tips. Thanks for watching.